Hi, my name is Brianna Hutton and I'm a senior exercise science major at Franklin College where I've conducted research with Alexa Schaffner. The purpose of our study was to examine the speed and accuracy of a one- and two-handed backhand. In our study, we had 14 participants who were past or present members of the Franklin College men's or women's tennis team, and 7 were female, 7 were male. They had to be between the ages of 18 and 25, and our mean age was 20.21 plus or minus 1.85 years. Participants were unable to participate in our study if they had had an ankle, wrist, or shoulder injury within the past 6 months or a concussion within the past year. Each participant was scheduled for a 15-minute session where they were fed 60 balls by an experienced tennis coach, 30 balls to their one-hand backhand, and 30 balls to their two-hand backhand. The first 15 balls from each type of backhand were for warm-up, and the second 15 were for recording using the GoPro. We used a GoPro to record the last 15 balls of each backhand because we wanted to use that to input it into Max Track motion analysis software to analyze the speed of the ball. We analyzed accuracy by asking the participants to aim for a taped box that was 4 by 4 feet on the opposite side of the net from them, and we counted the amount of balls that landed into the box. The results of this study have shown that a participant had greater speed and accuracy on a two-handed backhand versus a one-handed backhand. Some limitations that we found were that some of the balls that were used for the study they were not the same type of balls, and they had different levels of air in them, which skewed some of our data when the ball was fed to them. Another limitation is that the GoPro would switch from regular speed to slow motion and within the first few seconds of the video, and when we went to analyze it, it skewed some of our data. Does anyone have any questions?
Yes. Why did you choose those specific tennis backhands?
So we chose these specific backhands because backhands are not studied very much, and we wanted to look at whether speed and accuracy was better in a one or two-handed backhand.
Why does the type of swing matter to tennis players?
The type of speed matters because it just depends on where the player is on the court, if they have enough time to get to a ball. If they don't have a lot of time, they're going to use a one-hand backhand because it provides them with more reach, versus if they do have enough time to get to the ball, they're going to want to put a little more power onto it, so they will use a two-hand backhand.
If you didn't guide the subjects to hit as hard as they can you expect your results to be reliable and valid?
If we did not guide them because we just wanted to make sure that they were hitting at their regular speed that they always hit at, because if they tried to hit the ball really hard, then they're not going to hit the ball into the box. If they tried to hit the ball really soft to hit it into the box, then we're not going to get a good analysis of speed. So we just had them hit their regular way.
If you did this study again, what would you change and why?
If we were to do the study again, I would definitely change the taped box because it was in an area of the court where tennis players really aren't supposed to hit the ball, so we didn't get as many balls in the box as we had thought we would, so we would definitely move it closer to the baseline to have better accuracy.